Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. Do you want to create a website without writing a single line of code? Then this is the video for you. Today I will show you how to build a website like this without any programming using Windsurf AI IDE. This tool not only help you build a website easily but also fix coding errors automatically. What you want to do is you can accept or decline the changes Windsurf did. Then let's get started. First, you need to download and install Windsurf AI IDE. Open your browser and search for Windsurf. Click on the official website and download the Windows 64-bit version. In my case, it's Windows 64-bit. Once the download is complete, run installer and click next to complete the installation. Then we will set up a new project. Open Windsurf. After installation, you can either open an existing project or start from scratch. For this video, I will show you how to create a simple coffee shop website using HTML and CSS. Then we will generate website file. In Windsurf, type, can you create a coffee shop website using HTML and CSS? Then the tool will ask you want to create a project file? You can choose a location or go with the default file. It will automatically generate the HTML file first, followed by the CSS file. Then we will run your website. Once the files are created, Windsurf will ask you if you want to run the project. Then click accept and it will start a local server. Now you can preview your website here and also in the browser. And that's it. You have just built a website without writing any code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.